My name is Jiří Dvořák and I'm Managing Director and the only owner of company s.r.o. Company s.r.o. is located in Czech Republic in Pilsen. We are a mid-sized company with 100 plus employees and 30 million euro turnover. We are producing construction machines, mainly air compressors, generators, light towers and walk-behind rollers for three main partners. Our material stock has a size about 5,000 square meters. The main split is to incoming material, supermarket stock for the small parts for internal Kanbans, for the big parts, racking system for 3,000 euro pallets. Quality inspections for our incoming material is driven by our ERP system and setting for each item. For the small parts, we are using two-bin Kanban system. For the big parts, we are using electronic Kanban system. The whole stock is managed by warehouse management system with barcoding. All stock positions are marked with the barcodes and managed by our warehouse management system, directly connected to our ERP system. Production of construction machines is running on two assembly lines. Each one is split into main assembly and pre-assembly. Lines are very flexible and we can produce 13 different models on each one. All our machines are tested in our testing shop. First stage of the testing is to fill the machine with all the liquids, and then we have another 4 positions for the testing. One is for the big machines, second one is for the small air compressors, third one for the generators, and the last one for the walk-behind rollers. For production of tie lifts, we have a dedicated assembly line. Each unit is managed by its own production order. Production order has also its own acceptance criteria, what we write into the production order. All the assembly steps are noticed in the working instructions with a detailed description how it should be done. This is generally all about our company s.r.o.